Right, greetings everyone. My name is Muhammad Samsul Efendi, and today and for my student ID it's 23 05 47 and 00. Alright, first things first. I'll in this video I'll talk about the contribution of syntax in EFL or ESL for teacher. Alright, for its background, syntax play a crucial role in English language teaching and learning, particularly in English as a foreign language or EFL and English as a second language or ESL context. As the study of sentence structure and grammatical rules, syntax forms a foundation for effective communication and language proficiency. As in EFL or ESL classrooms, teachers face the challenge of helping students develop a solid understanding of English syntax, which often differs significantly from the learner's native languages. The importance of syntax in language acquisition has been recognized by many linguists and educators for decades, as research has shown that a strong grasp of syntactic structures contributes to an improved reading comprehension, writing skills, and overall language proficiency. As such, EFL or ESL teachers must be equipped with a true understanding of syntax and effective strategies uh, for teaching it to their students. Right. For the next part, it's about the definition. First thing first, syntax refers to the set of rules that govern a structure of sentences in a language, as it encompasses the arrangement of words, phrases, and clauses to create meaningful and grammatically correct sentences. In the context of ELR or ESL itself, especially in teaching, syntax instruction involves helping learners understand and produce well-formed sentences. In English itself, taking into account word order, agreement, tense, and other grammatical features. And there are also a few aspects of syntax in English include some kind of that include a word order, in which a subject, verb, object in declarative sentences. Second is the phrase structure, in which a noun phrase and verb phrases. And for the third one, it's clause types, in which an independent and dependent clauses. And fourth one, it's sentence type, in which simple, compound, and complex. And the fifth one, it's about agreement, in which subject verb agreement. And for the last one, it's about tense and aspect. And I think that's it. That's all about key aspect of syntax in English. Or moving to the next part, it's about the contribution and benefits of syntax in EFL or ESL teaching. First thing first, the incorporation of syntax instruction in EFL or ESL teaching offers some benefits for both teachers and learners. For the first benefit, it may enhance the language accuracy, as by focusing on syntactic structures, teacher can help students produce a more accurate and native-like sentences, reducing errors in word order and grammatical constructions. And for the second one, it may improve their reading comprehension, as a solid understanding of syntax may enable learners to better interpret complex sentences and text, as by enhancing their overall reading comprehension skills. And for the third one, it's advanced. It may upgrade their writing skills into an advanced level, such as knowledge of syntactic structures allows students to construct more or varied sentences in their writing, as it may lead to improved overall writing quality. And for the fourth one, it's facilitated this syntax may facilitate their language transfer. Explicit instruction in syntax can help learners to recognize similarities and differences between their native language and English, facilitating a positive language transfer and reducing interference errors. And for the fifth one, may increase their metalinguistic awareness, as teaching syntax promote teachers' awareness of language structures, as it enables them to analyze and reflect on their own language use and that of others. For the sixth one, it may support for vocabulary acquisition, as understanding syntactic patterns can aid in interpreting the meaning and usage of new vocabulary items encountered in context. For the seventh one, it may also prepare the learners for a standardized test in many language proficiency tests such as TOEFL and ELTS assess syntactic knowledge and skills, making syntax instruction valuable for test preparation. And for the eighth one, it may enhance the listening comprehension, as knowledge of syntactic structures can help learners better process and understand spoken English, particularly in academic and professional contexts. And for the ninth one, it may improve their speaking fluency. As learners internalize syntactic patterns, they can produce more fluent and coherent speech with fewer pauses for grammatical processing. And then for the last one, it may give the learners a foundation for advanced language skills, as a strong grasp of syntax provides a solid foundation for developing more advanced language skills such as academic writing and professional communication. And I think that's all from me. In conclusion, the contribution of syntax or to EFL or ESL teaching is significant and multifaceted. By incorporating explicit syntax instruction into their lessons, teachers can equip learners with the tools they need to comprehend and produce English more effectively. As the benefits of syntax instruction extend beyond more the grammatical accuracy, encompassing improved reading comprehension, writing skills, and overall language proficiency. As language educators continue to refine their teaching approaches, it is crucial to recognize the central role of syntax in language acquisition and to develop innovative strategies for integrating syntax instruction into communicative and task-based language teaching methodologies. By doing so, EFL or ESL teachers can better support their students in achieving higher levels of English proficiency and becoming more confident and competent users of the language. And I think that's it. That's all from me. I'm sorry if I caused any inconveniences. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.